Hi, this is Dr. David Weiss, and I have a wonderful lady here. We did a injection of adipose tissue about a month ago, and she's here for a follow-up. And I'm very happy to say that there has been a quote-unquote night and day difference in terms of the pain. As you can see here, this is the area where we did the injection. There's still a little bit of a callus, but nothing like it was. But more importantly, it doesn't hurt like it did. And she is able to walk without discomfort and able to get on with her life without pain. Thank you.
I just came to Dr. Weiss to examine the therapy that was done on my foot. I was in agony walking on that foot. And I waited years before I did this, which I never should have done, even though insurance didn't cover it. It gave me such relief that I would advise anybody who has the potential for curing this, do it.